And another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is click it, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you really fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Guys, we are in the holiday festival mood. We got another special unboxing to do. And like I said, if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Coming from my good friends over at Auvon. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I butchered your name, but it'll be corrected in the title, and you guys can see in a second. It's like this name right here, Auvon. So, this is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, my day off. Pillbox, different colors, nice, easy to do, especially for their older crowd. Boom. Look at that. Got that action. Boom. 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 Boom, boom, pow. Alright, guys, there you go. Auvon. Nice. Pretty cool. I'll be getting to that age soon. Hopefully, I won't be needing that many pills, but you never know in life. Life is crazy. Gotta make the best of it. So, like I said, YouTubers, just check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item or know somebody that could use this, definitely check it out. Add it to your cart now. Ship to you fast. And they'll appreciate it, you know? Nice, colorful, nice and bold days of the week. And alright, YouTubers, it'll be a short video. Easy peasy one today. You guys be safe out there. A lot of good stuff on tonight. So, alright, take it easy.